Hi everyone, we're going to create a hairstyle that is like a bouffant, but it also has a really interesting texture about it as well. It's very simple and beautiful to do, but really it's all about a great technique and foundation. Like always, these are inspirations that you can change as much as you want. So let's have a look at how we created this amazing bouffant with this really intricate texture that goes around it. Let's have a look. Well, here's our hairstyle. Look at this for the most incredible look. Once we get the foundation with the patariki in there, we get that clamped in, that becomes our pinning base for all of the texture. And then the overlattice of this beautiful cage effect over the top is really just very simple by all the little pieces you've left out. And then I put a little bit of extra detail right around the front there. I hope you've enjoyed it.